Here are 10 little-known facts about foxes. Varied communication. Foxes possess a vast and sophisticated vocal repertoire that goes far beyond the barking sounds associated with dogs. They can produce more than 40 different types of vocalizations, each with a specific function, ranging from alert signals to other group members to mating calls. One of the most notable sounds foxes make is a high-pitched scream, often described as eerie, which can be heard during the night. This wide range of sounds allows them to communicate various emotions and intentions, which is crucial for their survival, especially in hostile environments or during hunting. Keen sense of smell. The sense of smell in foxes is a fundamental tool in their ability to hunt and defend themselves. Foxes have highly developed olfactory receptors that allow them to detect the presence of prey such as rodents and small mammals, even when they are hidden under snow or soil. They can sniff out their prey from great distances and can also identify the exact location of a buried animal, leaping and digging with surgical precision. This keen sense also allows them to recognize signals from other animals and avoid dangerous areas, making them exceptionally effective hunters. Magnetic abilities. One of the most intriguing abilities of foxes is their apparent capacity to use the Earth's magnetic field to hunt. Research indicates that when they leap to capture prey, such as a mouse hidden under the snow, they have a much higher success rate when the jump is oriented toward magnetic north. This ability, not yet fully understood by scientists, suggests that foxes have a sort of internal compass that helps them measure the distance and depth of prey, even without seeing it directly. This makes foxes one of the few known mammals to exhibit this complex behavior related to magnetism. Urban adaptability. Red foxes, in particular, have demonstrated an impressive ability to adapt to urban environments. With the expansion of cities and the decline of their natural habitats, many foxes have learned to survive and even thrive in urban areas. They are opportunistic and intelligent, capable of foraging through garbage, gardens, and even human constructions in search of food. This adaptability not only demonstrates their resilience, but also their ability to coexist with humans, which is a unique trait among wild carnivores. In some cities, urban foxes have become so common that they are almost considered part of the urban landscape, often being seen in broad daylight. Family life cycle. Foxes are social animals and, contrary to popular belief, are not entirely solitary. They form small family units where the male and female work together to raise their young. After birth, the kits remain in the den for about a month before beginning to explore the outside world. During this period, the father helps provide food while the mother cares for the kits. As they grow, young foxes learn hunting and survival skills from their parents. The kits usually stay with the family until they are about 7 months old, at which point they begin to venture out on their own, often traveling great distances to establish their own territories. Efficient night vision. The vision of foxes is especially adapted for nocturnal hunting. Their eyes contain a layer of cells called the tapetum lucidum, which reflects light that passes through the retina, providing much clearer vision in low-light conditions. This adaptation is common among many nocturnal predators, but in foxes, it is particularly effective due to their crepuscular and nocturnal lifestyle. This enhanced vision allows foxes to be highly efficient nocturnal hunters, capturing prey that many other predators might miss. Multifunctional tail. The fox's tail, also known as a brush, is an iconic feature, but its importance goes beyond aesthetics. In addition to aiding in balance during running and jumping, the tail serves as a blanket during cold months, allowing the fox to cover its body and retain heat. The tail also plays a significant role in communication. Foxes can use specific tail movements to signal other foxes, indicating, for example, alertness or submission. This multifunctionality makes the tail one of the most important and versatile aspects of a fox's anatomy. Species diversity. Although the red fox is the most well-known and widely distributed species, the genus Vulpes includes more than 30 different species of foxes spread across the globe, each adapted to specific habitats and ecological conditions. For example, the Arctic fox is known for its ability to survive in extremely low temperatures, while the fennec fox, with its enormous ears, is adapted to the arid conditions of the desert. This diversity reflects the incredible adaptability of the group, which has evolved to thrive in a wide range of environments, from dense forests to frozen tundras. Intelligence and cunning. Foxes are often depicted in literature and folklore as cunning and intelligent creatures, and for good reason. They exhibit impressive adaptive intelligence, being able to solve complex problems, learn from past experiences, and even deceive predators and prey. In animal behavior studies, foxes have demonstrated an exceptional ability to modify their hunting and evasion strategies depending on the situation. This intelligence and behavioral flexibility are traits that have ensured their survival in diverse environments over the centuries. Cultural heritage. Foxes hold a special place in the mythology and folklore of many cultures around the world. In Japan, kitsune are mystical foxes with supernatural abilities and are seen either as powerful guardians or as deceptive beings, depending on the legend. In Norse culture, the fox was seen as a symbol of cunning and ingenuity. In many other cultures, the fox is respected as a clever and adaptable animal, often associated with the ability to survive difficult situations and to outsmart those who underestimate it. These cultural representations reflect the admiration and respect humans have for the fox's unique abilities.